wanted to do a final review of QuadroStyle stickers. These are the wonderful things. I love them. They're so great. Their customer service is amazing, and you can basically send them the measurements of your project area, send them pictures. Their design team is great to work with and help answer any questions that you have. The first step that I did when starting my project was I prepped the area, and I just used some paper towels and some my cleaner that I have, and I cleaned the area really good because you want to make sure that you don't have any like dirt or sand. Second thing that I did was I kind of laid out all of my stickers out kind of like a puzzle piece, and I just lined them up and kind of put everything where they needed to go and made sure that everything matched. And then I actually started the process of applying and peeling off the sticker and putting it on the floor. Straight blade that I used to cut my edges with, and that cuts this paper perfectly and it makes everything look great. The last step that I did was I smoothed everything out with my hands out to make sure that there were like no bubbles, no ripples, nothing like that, and left the surface looking absolutely great. I think that they have tons of styles to choose from. I think that their design team is great to work with and help to make sure that you have the right amount of stickers that you need for your project. And I love the durability of them. I have now had them for about 5 weeks and they're holding up great. They never peel off, they never rip. People are in that bathroom all the time, and I think that they have held up great. Definitely get 2 thumbs up for me. They have been great to work with. I would definitely check them out, and you can see my before and after pictures later.